Hello students, we are going to learn construction practice lab. In construction practice lab, experiment number 17, laying of floor tiles. So, there are many types of floor tiles ranging from ceramics to clay to natural stone, and most can be successfully installed over various types of substrate including existing tiles, a mortar base, and plywood subflooring or cement board. Okay. So here it is step by step procedure. So first step is clean the floor. Clean the floor of dust and debris. This ensures clean the floor. Tiled surface will be leveled. Okay. So second step is snap chalk lines. Measure to find the center of the room and snap two chalk lines that intersects exactly in the center of the floor. Okay. So third step is dry run the tiles. Before starting the project, start with a dry run, laying put the tiles and the spacers. This determines where to start the process and help determine width of the grout lines. So here it is, this is a spacer. Okay. So fourth step is snap another chalk line. Snap an additional chalk line the width of the out from wall. This helps keep the tile placement perfectly straight. Continue laying out tiles and spacers until placement is correct. Okay. So step 5 is mix the thin set mortar. Use a self-mix thin set mortar for the tiles installation. Pour just about an entire bag of the dry mixture into a large bucket. Add just enough water to get the dry mixture wet and being mixing continue to mix until the texture is creamy. Then let the mortar stand for about 10 minutes to get tasky. Okay. So sixth step is apply the mortar. When the mortar is ready, begin working on one section of the floor. Spread the mixture on a 2 by 2 section on the floor and use a attached to obtain an even layer of mortar. Work in small section to keep the mortar from drying before the tile is in position. Okay. So seventh step is place the tiles and cut odd tiles. Put the tiles in place when you get to a wall where a standard tile will not fit work and make cut with a standard tile cutter. You don't use a tile cutter make and have a tile supplier cut them to installation. So step 8 is place the spacer. So continue the process using the chalk line as a guide and placing spacers between each tile to ensure uniform distance between the tiles. When all the tiles work in complete, allow the result tiles to dry in place for a several days before grouting. Step 9 is apply the grout. Use a rubber trowel or a floor to spread the grout across the tiles at an angle to be certain to get all in between each tiles. Remove excess grout. When the grout is in place, wipe away the excess with a damp sponge or cloth. Repeat this process several times. Begin carefully not to remove the grout lines around the tiles. So students, hope you like this video and enjoy this session. Thank you.